I don't lead to stand above, I lead to help you see the strength you carry quietly, the person you can be. Through every doubt, through every day, I'll meet you where you are. With open hands, with steady heart, we'll turn the small steps into stars. I'll listen before I speak, I'll guide before I call. I'll stand beside the team I lead and rise by lifting all. We elevate, we rise as one, through every challenge, every run. Not just a name, not just a role, but the fire that brings out every soul. We elevate, we carry through. We elevate, we carry through. I don't grow if I don't grow with you. Higher than the dreams we knew, I lead to rise with you. E, I empower you to believe. L, I listen when you need. E, I encourage you to grow. V, I value what you show. A, I act with purpose true. T, I take the weight with you. E, I elevate the team. Together we become the dream. We elevate, we rise as one, stronger now than when we begun. We elevate, we carry through. No one rises alone, it's true. I lead to rise with you. Team leader, elevate, leading higher, lifting through. Not above, but beside, I rise with you.